Hello everyone, this video has been brought to you by Unacademy and my name is Mohit Gupta. In this video I will be talking about coding decoding problems that are an essential part of the aptitude examinations. This video is the first of the series that is about to come to help you score higher at aptitude examinations. So let us begin. The most general coding decoding problems are of this type. A word is coded as something and you have to code another word using the same logic as the given word. So for the reference we will first write down the English alphabet and then examine each letter of the given word and its code letter by letter. So F has been coded to H, that is one jump. R has been coded to U, that is two jumps. I has been coded to M, that is three jumps. So we see the pattern that incremental jumps are happening for each next letter of the word. We will follow the same pattern for the word candle and try to form the code. C should have one jump, so it will code to E. A should have two jumps, so it will code to D. N should have three jumps, so it will code to R. D should have four jumps, so it will code to I. L should have five jumps, so it will code to R. And E should have six jumps, so it will code to L. So we see that there is the first pattern, that is incremental jumps. Fairly simple and very important, very generic, asked in almost every aptitude examination. So this is the first type of problem that you may encounter. Let us look at another type. The question says, according to a military code, system is coded as this and nearer is coded as this. So what will be the code for fraction? It does not matter whether it is a military code or a scientific code or anything else. What matters is we need to find the pattern in which system is coded to this and nearer is coded to this. So let us examine the words. We see that TEM has been inverted to MET and NEA is inverted to AEN. We also see that SYS has also been inverted to SYS, but because it is a palindrome it is not quite visible on the first look. And similarly RER has also been inverted. So we first break down the word fraction into two equal halves and then invert. So the later half will be this and the first half will be. So we just solved a second problem. Feel happy. This is also an important pattern and it is asked quite frequently. Let us look at one more pattern. In a certain code, paper is coded as this and how will mother will be coded in the same language. So as again we have written down the English alphabet for reference. Let us look at paper letter by letter. P has been coded to S, that is two jumps. A has been coded to C, that is one jump. P has been coded to T, that is three jumps. So 2, 1, 3. E has been coded to G, that is one jump. R has been coded to W, so that is four jumps. So it is quite difficult to form a pattern here, but if you look carefully, all the alphabets at even places are having one jump, while starting from the first position all odd places alphabets, that these three, have incremental jumps starting from 2. So we will follow the same pattern to code mother. In this code, M will have 2, O will have 1, H will have 1, R will have 1, 3 and 4 jumps. So M having 2 jumps will code to P, O having 1 jump will code to Q, T having 3 jumps will code to X, H having 1 jump will code to J, E having 4 jumps will code to J, R having 1 jump will code to T. So we have our answer as P, Q, X, J, J, T. Here we got a new pattern that places at even positions were having different jump than alphabets at odd positions. So this is an important pattern. It is asked rarely, but it is all equally important to learn. Let us look at one more pattern of questions. If Bombay is written as this, how will Tamil Nadu will be written in that code? So here we see that these two are very difficult to analyze, but somehow we will decode them. So we see that Bombay contains the letters M and Y that are in the coded version, and it is repeated 3 times. So this does not also tell us anything about how to repeat, what to repeat. So we look at the places. This is at the 3rd place and this is at the 6th place, and Tamil Nadu should also follow the same pattern. So 3rd, 6th and 9th places, that is M, N and U, should repeat itself 3 times to form the 9-letter word M, N, U, M, N, U, M, N, U. It is important to note that these letters at 3rd and 6th places are repeated only as much times as to match the word length. Here word length is 6, so we are repeating it 3 times. Here word length is 9, so we are repeating the 3 letters 3 times. So that is how we solve these type of problems. Let us look at one more type. Victory is coded as this. How can success be coded in the same way as victory? As usual, we will look at the English alphabet for reference and we will see patterns. V has been coded to Y, so that is 2 jumps. I has been coded to L, that is 2 jumps. C has been coded to F, that is 2 jumps. So we see that every alphabet has been jumped by 2 places to form the pattern, and the same will be done to success. S will be jumped 2 places to form V, U will be coded to X, C will code to F, E will code to H, and S will code to V. So this was a fairly simple example telling us how the jumps are happening and what pattern is followed. So you might feel very comfortable with these type of patterns. If you encounter them in future, I would recommend you to practice more and more problems on the same and keep watching for this series that is about to come on Academy. Subscribe to our channel so that you can watch it later. And if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me on Twitter. My handle is hi_Mohit Gupta, or you can also tweet to the Unacademy. If you want us to teach any specific topics, you can comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching.